Here, at the University of Cambridge, in the Department of Material Science and Metallurgy, the Royce battery manufacturing facility provides equipment for users to create and process novel battery materials. This state-of-the-art equipment bridges the gap between lab innovation and industry scale-up, overcoming difficult processing operations such as manufacturing, mixing, separation, and drying. The manufacturing suite houses a 2-person Embron glove box with argon atmosphere for the handling of both moisture-sensitive and oxygen-sensitive materials. A milestone microwave system with a 70-litre capacity can undergo 3 modes: synthesis, digestion, and mixing. And an IKA reactor system with a 5-litre capacity that can operate up to 200 degrees Celsius and down to 3 millibar pressure for both organic and aqueous synthesis. Within the mixing suite, there is a thinky mixer, which can combine materials up to 700 grams through mixing, dispersing, or degassing in a sealed or lidless container with the option of operating under vacuum. And an IKA disperser with overhead stirring up to 10,000 RPM that accommodates up to 30 litres of material for homogeneous formulations. Furthermore, the separation suite includes a Beckman centrifuge with maximum capacity of 6 litres and 25,000 RPM. And finally, the drying suite includes a Lyre Vapor freeze dryer with a capacity of 6 kilograms and negative 55 degrees Celsius for removing moisture from samples. A Thermo Fisher vacuum oven with a 65-litre capacity, a maximum temperature up to 220 degrees Celsius and down to 3.5 millibar vacuum. And a LabTech rotary evaporator of 3-litre capacity for drying more solvent-heavy samples. The battery suite is agnostic and can accommodate a wide variety of materials to support the development of your novel research and accelerate the transition from early-stage discovery to impact. If the battery manufacturing facility can meet your needs, then please get in touch and let us know how we can support you.